Hello and welcome to another episode of Adulting with Adam. In this episode, I got a brand new camera and I want to use it, so you're going to watch me make hot dogs. This is the new camera. Say hello. Okay, here's what you need. Hot dogs, hot dog buns, some kind of mustard, never ketchup. There's one thing I do want to say. Ketchup doesn't belong on a hot dog. Mustard, relish, chili, whatever else you want to throw on there is fine. But don't you dare let me catch you putting ketchup on a hot dog. I'll fuck your day up. And some store brand Cheeze Whiz. Oh, and some leftover mac and cheese from 2 nights ago. This is the Panasonic Lumix G85. It is far from the fanciest, most expensive camera out there, but it's very popular with a lot of people who make YouTube videos. You can eat raw hot dogs, but I prefer them to be warm. So here's what you'll need. A plate of uncooked hot dogs. Actually, hot dogs are cooked. All of them. There is no such thing as a raw hot dog. A plate of unsecond cooked hot dogs. A set of kitchen tongs and a hot pan. Porter, come on. Why are you so angry, buddy? Do you want to go inside? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Okay. That's better. Okay, let's heat it up. A little over medium is fine. Now what we want to do as we wait for that to heat up is get our hot dogs out. So open your hot dog wrapper and slowly extract the hot dogs from the wrapper. Now, as you do this, don't worry about the hot dog juices running out all over your fingers. Just let it soak into your knuckles, okay? That's good for you. And it'll provide hours of sucking enjoyment for the rest of your afternoon. Heat up the pan. While you wait for the pan to heat up, and get yourself a paper towel. Take your hot dog buns and select the 2 softest ones. Not these. Yes. These are the chosen buns. Oof. Okay, this pan is hot. So put in your hot dogs and you wait. This is the easy part. Now that your hot dogs are in the pan, you can take your luscious buns, put them somewhere safe, and use that paper towel I made you get to wipe off the plate. Because as wonderful as hot dog juice is soaked into your hands and face, it's not quite as good soaked into a bun. You can also pre-open them. How are we looking? Oh, see? It's starting to brown. That's wonderful. Let's turn up the heat. I'm getting bored. Yeah, that's looking nice. One thing you can do while you wait for your hot dogs to heat up is remove the Cheeze Whiz nubbin. What that is just a little dried clot of chemical cheese that plugs the hole of your container. And you can pre-cheese your buns. Go ahead and get greedy. Now put the cap back on and tell yourself that there's nothing wrong with what we just did. Once we get to this point, I actually like to set them like this and start rolling them. I know that's weird. You can use your tongs too. And just do this, and you're kind of simulating the effect of the gas station roller. If you've ever been inside a gas station and seen the terrifying 7-year-old hot dogs that they have just spinning away there for perpetuity. Doing this actually kind of like lets them roll around in their juices a little bit, and it almost caramelizes the casing of the hot dog, which gives it a little bit of a snap when you bite into it, which I kind of enjoy. All right, last thing. Don't forget to singe the ends. So that's the one part that doesn't come in contact with the pan. We can turn the heat off on this. Oh yeah. Now take this off the heat, and we put our hot dogs inside our pre-cheesed buns. You just do it very, very be careful. Gently, as gently as you can. Just lay it in like that. Now do the other one. Yeah. It does video in low light pretty well. It's got really good image stabilization, obviously much better than my phone here. Now you pop the lid on your mac and cheese leftovers open your microwave and place it inside. How long should we give it? How about a minute? And then we'll check it. Comes with a pretty nice lens. That's got a lot of good features. Records in 4K, although my videos are never in 4K. I really like this thing. Is it ready? It's steaming. Let's stir. No, not quite there. It's also a little stuck up. Kind of gross. So you know what I tend to do when this happens is I'll take a little bit of milk and add it back in like that. Stir it around. And as you heat it up, most of the milk will evaporate. But it'll also re-creamify the cheese. Give it another minute. All right, 2 minutes nuke time. It's probably done now. Oh yeah, yep, that's quite a bit better. So yeah, this is a $700 camera sitting on an $18 tripod, but we solve one problem at a time around here. See? I mean, still, you know, it's still leftover Easy Mac, but it's not disgusting. And we've got our hot dogs, we've got our mac and cheese, and you just spoon on as much as you want. Make sure to spill a little bit on your countertop so that you have something to clean later. I find that always gives me something to look forward to throughout the day. That's probably plenty. And now your mustard. Yeah! Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoy eating every meal by myself. Remember to always be nice to each other, and to thank the demon that lives under your stairs for letting you continue to draw breath. Bye-bye now. Probably not forever.
No, it's chicken. I know.